a 1999 Toyota 4Runner. Customer complains the vehicle has no heat. This setup has all the basics, plus this little heater control valve right here. This little thing right here is controlled by a motor inside, and their engineers thought it was a good idea to have a valve on here to cut off the heat, the coolant going inside for the heat. Most cars nowadays, it's free flowing and uses a different door for hot and cold air. So old technology. When I first got it, the valve does work. I was able to get it to move. Going inside, I'll show you where the motor's at. Nice little fun spot. See right there? Cable's right back there. Turn on the fan. Here's stuff. Alright. See right? Motor right here. Cable right back there. I was able to get a pair of needle nose pliers and pull on the cable to close it so that now the customer does have heat until this can physically be repaired. But listen to the sound it makes when I go to full hot and go back to cold. So that motor has a bad gear inside, probably due to a combination of the cable getting partly frozen. So once that motor gets taken out, and spray some rust penetrant down inside there and on the outside to make sure that it doesn't have any kind of sticking points, because that little gear right there can strip over time being plastic. So I'm going to recommend to the customer to have that motor replaced, and then once that motor is off, I'll make sure that that cable can move freely, and if not, then recommend replacing that cable as well. But won't know that until that motor itself is removed. So I'm gonna go sell that to the customer.